Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I get into the niche or the trend, I just want to share with you my two POD courses that I am selling on Gumroad. So one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $19.99 and you get 16 lessons with over an hour of content. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on merch. And then I also have one on Redbubble as well. It's also $19.99. You get 20 lessons in this course, and it's also over an hour of content. Also good for beginners on Redbubble and for people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble. And here are my credentials on merch. So I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I have over 10,000 sales, and I've done over 35,000 in royalties. And when we go to Redbubble, here are my sales for the past few months. So over the summer, I did 266, 317, and 348. So if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description, and I'll also have them in the pinned comments. Okay, now let's get to the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you today is on Sundays, we watch football with Daddy. And this is trending right now because it's football season. A lot of people are watching football on Sunday. And you can see there's only 135 results for this phrase. And when we look at what the designs look like, you see very simple designs. Basically, it's just text, graphic, and then text. So that's pretty easy to make. And when we look at some of the recent designs, like these ones were just uploaded September 13th, September 9th, so less than a month ago. And we can see that they are already getting sales. And what I like about this niche is that it can also be scaled. So it doesn't just have to be Daddy. Like if we scroll down here, you're going to see there's one that's actually for, I think, moms. So on Sundays we watch with Mommy, and you can see this has a BSR, so this one is also selling. But you can also do this for grandpas. There's a lot of kids that like to watch football with their grandparents, so even grandma. There's grandmas that like to watch their football team every Sunday. Something that's really important though is that you want to make sure that you have the youth selected, because I'm just imagining that kids are going to want to watch, or going to want to wear these shirts. Because they're going to want to watch, wear the shirt when they're watching football with Daddy. So just make sure that you have the youth selected. And, if you do design for this, I'd recommend scaling it to, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, even uncle, and you can do pretty much all the demographics. Here is a design that I just quickly created. So let me show you real quick. Let's see if it pops up. So on Sundays, we watch football with Daddy. I use the pulse just to kind of differentiate myself a little bit. So that's what I'm going to probably be uploading here once I'm done with this recording this video. And when we take a look onto tests, we're going to see when we type in the phrase, on Sundays we watch football with Daddy, and you hit enter, you'll see that nothing pops up. Competition on Etsy is actually a lot more than I expected, 7,000. I like to do 1,000 or lower. That's kind of my benchmark. If we go to Redbubble, we will actually see that this phrase is trending on Redbubble. So right here you're going to see it has a little ticker, the little arrow going up. That means it's trending. But competition is very low. It's pretty rare to see a trending niche under 1,000 on Redbubble. So that's a good sign there. And on TeePublic, there's only like 6 designs. And I wouldn't be sleeping on TeePublic, guys. I don't know if you're uploading here, but look at last month. I did 274. In my opinion, that's pretty good for TeePublic. So if you're not on TeePublic, if you're not uploading onto TeePublic, I'd highly recommend it. A lot of people come here to buy shirts. They do sales all the time. So yeah, get your shirts up on TeePublic. If you go to Vexels, you'll find they have some clip art or some graphics. So here I just came and I typed in football, and I used this one right here. You can see this one is the one I'm using for my graphic. So if you want to sign up for Vexels, there's going to be an affiliate link in the description. And that is going to basically be the video for today. So if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I do videos on a regular basis showing you trendy niches and other t-shirt designs. Also check out my YouTube channel. I have playlists there, like trending playlists. I also have recent uploads, and just a good place to go to get some ideas if you don't really know what to upload for. So check that out. Consider subscribing. And if you're interested in the courses, again, the links will be in the description and in the pinned comments. All right, so yeah, thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.